Pocket door installation instructions. Step 1. Determine door dimensions. Begin by specifying the width and height you desire for the pocket door. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful installation. Step 2. Prepare the rough opening. Calculate the dimensions for the rough opening by adding 3 5/8 inches to the door's height to allow for framing clearance. For the width, multiply the door's width by 2 and add 2 inches to provide ample space for the door and clearance. Ensure the rough opening is level and plumb using a level and plumb tool. Step 3. Mark the level door centerline. Determine and mark the centerline of the door at both the top and bottom of the rough opening. This centerline will guide the door's accurate placement within the pocket. Ensure the centerline marks are vertically aligned. Step 4. Install the track. Securely fasten the track to the head jamb of the rough opening. Confirm that the track is level and plumb using a level and plumb tool. If needed, use shims for proper alignment. Once aligned, fasten the track securely in place. Step 5. Hang the door. Hang the door on the track and secure it in place according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 6. Attach the floor guide. Mount the floor guide onto the door's centerline, positioning it at a distance of the door width minus 1.5 inches. Your roller floor guide is now installed, and your pocket door should function properly. Step 7. Install soft close dampers. Move the front soft close damper to the front of the pocket door. Engage the trigger mechanism on the damper. Position the door within the pocket, ensuring alignment with the rough opening. Fasten the damper securely following the manufacturer's guidelines. Place the second damper in the middle of the rough opening. Adjust the door's opening stage and engage the damper's trigger. Fine-tune and secure the damper in place to ensure proper operation. Step 8. Test soft close mechanism. Ensure smooth operation by setting the track screw to a 1/6 inch clearance. Open and close the door to verify that the soft close dampers secure the door at the designated locations. Adjust as necessary for smooth and controlled movement. Step 9. Frame and hang drywall. Complete the installation by framing the pocket door with drywall, ensuring a clean and finished appearance. By meticulously following these instructions, you'll achieve a successful and functional pocket door installation. We appreciate your purchase of the Hover Door. Congratulations on your new pocket door, which is backed by a lifetime levitating warranty.